So folks, anytime that you're a content creator or you just want to get some interesting action camera shots, a lot of times having a good solid mount comes into play. And I've been using Ulanzi gear for years now. This is my second super clamp. So I keep 2 of these in stock to do all the stuff I need to do. Usually I make about 500 to 600 videos a year. So this has been super handy to get those action shots that I need. Very easy to use. Pretty much you have a little spin dial right here to clamp it down on whatever it might be. Handlebars, or like here, the bull bar on a Can-Am. You know, I've clamped it to a pole saw, different gear. I've clamped it to pressure washer wand, you name it. Anything that I need to get that action footage with, just clamp right to it. And then up top here, you have another clamp, and what this does is this varies. So once you have it clamped to something, you can loosen this knob up here and move this around as you need to get the camera leveled out the way that you want. And then once you're satisfied, you just spin the dial back in and go ahead and clamp it back down. The other thing that this has is a universal tripod screw there. So pretty much just about any different type of mount for a camera that you can imagine can screw right into this. And so for instance, earlier today I was using this Ulanzi mount for my cell phone, and it just screws right in, and then I can kind of make the adjustments from here with the cell phone that I need. And then right now what I'm about to do is actually put my DJI action camera on. So again, it just screws right into that Ulanzi mount, and away we go. Let's get this mounted. So today we're just going to take a little trip up on the mountain, and so pretty much I'm just going to mount it on the bull bar here, and all I got to do is just kind of loosen it up enough to get the clamps wide enough, and we're just going to clamp it down nice and tight. It's also rubberized on the inside too of the clamp, so that helps as well. And then all I got to do is just screw my little bit here for the DJI action camera on. And now I can use this and basically move this around to wherever I need. And then once I'm satisfied with that, I can go ahead and clamp that down. So let's see what footage we get with this. So folks, in the end, if you're a content creator or you like shooting different action videos and stuff, definitely add one of these super clamps to your whole setup and your rigs and stuff. These really come in handy in certain situations. They just clamp on this stuff so well, and I just love using them. So anytime that I need to create content where I've got something like this to mount to, I use these super clamps. They get the job done. They work well. I love Ulanzi's stuff in the sense that it has kind of a professional feel to it. So in all the years I've been using their gear now, never had one issue where it's come close to failure or look like it's going to fail or break or anything like that. It's all been good stuff. So anyways, definitely check out these super clamps, give them a try, see what you think. Very happy with mine, so much I ended up buying a second one, so I have more options when I'm filming, and you know, just give them a go. All right, y'all have a good day now.